Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Akadilu kibitodi kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Akadilu kibitodi kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Matoko rujila.
Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Akilume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Lume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Matoko rujila.
Oyaya kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Oyaya kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ayamitodi kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Akadilu kibitodi kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ambazi muka kwenda kesi ni kuna yini kuna. Ambazi muka kwenda kesi bamba yubaba matokoro jina.
Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ilume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ilume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Matokoro jina.
Oyaya kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Yaya kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ayamitodi bakentu betu basidi. Ayamitodi bandumba betu disidi. Ambazi mukwenda kezi ni kuna yini kuna. Ambazi mukwenda kezi bamba yibwemba. Amiswaru janu ibana lelu ni kuna mini kuna. Matokoro jina.
Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ilume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ilume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Matokoro jina.
Oyaya kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Yaya ntamu sana di sana. Akidilu kimitodi kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Akidilu kimitodi kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ambazi mukwenda kezi ni kuna yini kuna. Ketu jama kitata ketu kukanda ujama matokoro jina.
Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Lume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Lume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Matokoro jina.
Oyaya kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Mitodi kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Lume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Lume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Matokoro jina.
Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Lume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Lume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Matokoro jina.
Oyaya kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Yaya ntamu sana di sana. Akidilu kimitodi kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Akidilu kimitodi tamu kwenda di kwenda. Ambazi muka kwenda kesu ni kuna yini kuna. Ambazi muka kwenda kesi bamba yibwemba. Amiswalu janu ibana lelu bwemba bwemba matokoro jina.
Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ilume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ilume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Matokoro jina.
Amitodi ya. Amitodi. Mitodi leri mungela kiade. Geta kwenda kuna kani mwetu ngana ngati mitodi. Takwenda bondu mwana njwele mitodi kikuma. Akikuma mitodi. Mtu kata kungana mweti mitodi. Kiade ya. Yaya kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ayaya kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Akidilu kimitodi kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Akidilu kimitodi tamu kwenda di kwenda. Matokoro jina.
Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ilume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ilume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Matokoro jina.
Oyaya kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Yaya ntamu sana di sana. Oya mitodi baketu betu basidi. Oya mitodi baketu betu basidi. Aya mitodi kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ketu jama kitata ketu kukanda kajama matokoro jina.
Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ilume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ilume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Matokoro jina.
Oyaya kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Oyaya kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Akidilu kimitodi kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Akidilu kimitodi tamu sana di sana matokoro jina.
Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Selemawe kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ilume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Ilume kwenda kumbu kwenda di kwenda. Matokoro jina.
Oyaya kumu kwenda likwende. Itodi kumu kwenda likwenda. Ketu jama gitata ketu kukanda ujama. Ketu jama gitata ketu kukanda ujama. Matoko lutila.
Tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende. Tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende. Kirume papa meku tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende. Kirume papa meku tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende.
Oyaya kumu kwenda likwende. Yaya tamu tala litala. Tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende. Tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende. Tupi papa mungu tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende. Tupi papa mungu tele mawe tamu tala litala.
Tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende. Tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende. Kirume papa meku tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende. Kirume papa meku tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende.
Oyaya kumu kwenda likwende. Itodi tamu tala litala. Alidilu kimitodi kumu kwenda likwende. Alidilu kimitodi tamu tala litala. Aya mitodi eva ketu betu basiri. Aya mitodi eva ketu betu basiri.
Tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende. Tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende. Kirume papa meku tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende. Kirume papa meku tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende.
Oyaya yetu yala tuyale. Yaya betu yala tuyala. Oyaya betu kubatuka. Alidilu kimitodi tamu kwenda likwende. Alidilu kimitodi tamu kwenda likwende. Lupi papa mungu tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende. Lupi papa mungu tele mawe tamu tala litala.
Tele mawe tamu kwenda likwende. Tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende. Kirume papa meku tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende. Kirume papa meku tele mawe kumu kwenda likwende.
Basi. Betu siri mkiani. Animação mitori kweli kiani.
Hello, welcome. Thank you for watching. We are going to learn Kikongo language. Kikongo is the language spoken in Congo Kingdom. Congo Kingdom. We are there. We are Congo people. Tutonde ngizambo te. Dolonga ndinga tieto. Ndinga kitini cha Congo de totela. Tutondele. Wendi kundako. I'm going to play a video. It's me singing. But it's me singing, but I think it's going to work. I'm singing, but I want to talk about, because Kikongo is tonal language, as I said last time. I'm just going to show you something. very important to take note. Let me see, where is it? Yeah, it should be here. Okay.
Yavana moyo mia tengula mengavanti mufutankanumya kuyemu kuvuluza Biabion sono yae kula inki uvutula Yasi santi azu lu yenkiandu kianzitu sumpe Mukalankundia kuyeta mulayambi Biabion sono yae kula inki uvutula Yavui kwampu yantende yatyakwa mumambu mambi Yavwezwaye yabu fwayako mwavananti Biabion sono yae kula inki uvutula Muntu mumonua miem fuilu yam passivanti Ulenda funguswa Ngaiba kampuluzu Biabion sono yae kula Inki uvutula Biabion sono yae kula Inki uvutula
Yeah, I'm joking. Thank you.
Mbote.
Okay, Kaka Davidi. Happy New Year. Yeah, good. Nice to see you again. Okay, let me show my Kikongo, as you know, it is a tonal language. Let me just show my screen. Same words from that song. But I just need to share my screen. I just hope I'm going to find. Okay, it's there. Okay. Is it not? Can you read it? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Who's singing? Yavana moyo ami. Yavana moyo ami. System. This is past. The one is present. You write same way, but your tone will give the meaning. Can you see how important is the way you pronounce your words? Let me just try to say Yavana. Yavana.
Mm.
Tata Emeka. I'm going to test you. There's a feedback. No. Tata David, can you connect it? Connect again, Tata David.
I'm getting an echo, so it was hard to understand your question.
Yeah, Tata David, can you hear me? Tata Emeka, it's fine. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Still feedback. We are sorry, this technology. When you're live, is it better now?
A little. Yes.
Is it? No, I don't think so. Okay. Okay.
A little better, only a little.
Okay. Yes. Nengo Rachel, can you hear me?
I can, yes, see,
Okay.
hello.
Okay. Okay, fingers crossed. Yes, I was saying, can you see this line? Yavana moyo ame.
Hello.
Yavana moyo ame. This is the past. This is the present. I'm going to test someone. Tata Emeka. That's why we're going slowly. No, I mean we don't need to rush.
Okay.
Step by step.
Okay.
Yavana
moyo ame.
Let me try to say it again. We're going first the past.
Okay.
Yavana.
Okay.
Can you try the past?
Yeah, Yavana moyo ame. Yavana moyo ame.
Well done. Nengo, can you try? Yavana
moyo ami.
That's a past.
Yavana moyo
Well
ami.
done. Let me just try to repeat it to help you.
Sure. Yavana moyo ame. Yavana moyo ame.
Well done. Tata Makailu. Yavana. Can you try, please?
Yavana moye ame. Yavana moye ame.
Okay. I know it's hard. Okay. Yes. Thank you very much. I think you. I'm going to do another quickly another video because we need to spend time on tone. You know, Kikongo is tone. Yes. Make no mistake. The other day, I said, if you said someone use Photoshop but you don't use the word layer, what do you mean? How can you use Photoshop or teach Photoshop without using the word layer? So
Yeah.
this is Congo. This is Congo. Kiambote, not Giambote, not Kiambote. Not Kiambote. Can you get that, sister?
Yes.
Kiambote, not Kiambote. If you go to a remote village in the Congo area, then you meet a 92 years old lady, you say Kiambote. Can you guess the answer? What would you say? She say?
Oh, well, I imagine I would answer Kiambote.
No, you mispronounced the word. That's the question I'm asking. If you say Kiambote to a 92-year, you call you meet a lady, 92 years old, say Kiambote. Someone that has never been to a town, just a village, you say Kiambote. What would be a reaction, Brother Emeka?
That you don't know what you're talking about?
I'm just her reaction. What would you say?
Her reaction, right? Yeah, she wouldn't know what you said.
Got it. It's not like Brother Tata Davis. Remember, it's not like English. She wouldn't say, "Do you mean Cambodia?" She wouldn't say that. Just nothing. To her, this is nothing. So, that's it. This is Congo. Thank you very much. Let me just put another to underline same thing. I'm going to play a video. I think we did play last time, but it's very important. Some words, how do you call it? Let me just try to play it. Homograph, yes. Homographs, words. You write exactly the same way your pronunciation gives the meaning to words. So if you miss it, you miss it. Here we go. Tata Emeka. I'm going to play a video just to make sure you listen carefully.
Okay.
A pair of words, just pair of words. You write the same way, but the meaning is in your pronunciation.
Voice recording Kikongo. Bula. To hit or to hit someone. Bula. Skin. Bula. To hit or to hit someone. Bula. Skin. Bula. Nkaka. Grandfather. Nkaka. Squirrel. Funkiedi. Yala. Durur. Yala. Spray. Yalanku. Eku mono yala. Yala kuala. To spread. Meno, chief. Meno, momo. Yours, meno. Kwameno, kumena. Mvu. Eye. Mvu. Grey hair. Nkama. Barrage. Nkama. Nkama. 100. Nkumba. Umbilicus. Nkumba. Luvila. Nkumba. Nanga. Slave. Nanguvo. Maybe.
Yeah, thank you. Let me just stop there because it's very hard. It's hard.
Wow.
But I think you got it. Let's say Nanga. Nanga means slave. Nanga. Nanga means slave. Nanga means maybe. Bula. Bula means to hit. Bula. To hit. Bula, the long vowel now. Bula means to hit. Bula means skin. You write it like the same way. Remember, David, last time we talked about Nkaka. One is granddad, grandfather. The other one is them just right. Where's my spelling? I don't have a spell check. Did you see my message?
Sí, Elo.
Yeah. One is granddad, grandmother, grandfather, grandmother. The other one is animal, see? You write exactly the same way. Just your tone, the way you pronounce the word gives the meaning to the word. That's Kikongo. You can't do otherwise. That's why you don't rush in speaking, you know? I mean, make sure you heard well before you try to repeat the same word. Thank you very much indeed. Let us move. I'm going to display. We did this. Go ahead.
I would like to learn how we could be able to hear this gentleman offline when during the week, so we can be able to kind of.
Do you want the video? That video? Yeah. I can send it. We have it online.
In our private group.
Okay. Yeah. I got you. You remind me later. Okay, let me just share another same thing. Let me just share my. Okay, where is it? This is just a follow-up. We did the last time. It is words. Where is it? I'm gonna give 1 minute. Okay, here. Yes. Remember. I think you remember last time. Last time we did have 4. I think 4 words. Now we have 5. Remember all of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Yeah, 3 syllables each. But be careful. I'm just going to do the first 2. Then, Brother Emeka, I trust you. You did well last time, no? Yeah. Kick off. You need to do the first. Okay. Kiambote. Diambote. Brother Emeka, can you carry on, please?
Mambote.
Well done.
Mayamba.
Stop. Let's go back.
Mayamba.
Kiambote. Yambote. Mambote.
Mambote. Mayamba.
Who can help?
Mayamba.
Well done. Let's go, Tata Emeka. Let's go from the beginning to the end, please.
Kiambote. Diambote. Mambote. Mayamba.
Well done.
Mankenda.
Who can help us? Name or Rachel from the beginning, please.
Kiambote. Diambote. Mambote. Mayamba. Mankinda.
Tata David. SOS.
Yeah. Kiambote, Diambote, Mambote,
Mayamba Mankenda.
Well done. Kiambote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Makenda. Tata Makailu, I know you're there. I've forgotten. Go ahead, please.
Kimbote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Makenda.
SOS, Tata Emeka, please.
Starting from the beginning.
Yes, please.
Okay. Kiambote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Makenda.
Makenda. Nengwa Rachel, please.
Kiambote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Mankenda.
Tata David, help us, please.
Mhm.
Tata David, we need your help, please.
Okay. Kiambote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba Mankenda.
Mankenda.
Well done. Did you get that, sister?
So
Mayamba, Makenda.
Mayamba,
Makenda.
Makenda.
Would you like to try again, Tata Makailu? Kiambote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Mankenda. Tata Makailu, please.
Kimbote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Makenda.
Mayamba, Makenda. Thank you. I know it is hard. It is hard. It is hard. Would you believe that you're doing well, Tata David, and other many people on the mainland? Tata yeah, that's the issue, because as any language with time, you see,
Begin to learn it. Yeah.
we keep dropping things. Sadly. Okay, let me just move on. To Tondele, thank you very much. Now, thank you very much. If you are watching, keep watching. We're still there. Ebo mutuzala una kwantu kundako mulonga tuna ebo ngindu na zao ngindu za mbote uva kwandi soneka kwandi elongi katikala mfutuko sitwa tatoma mokena. We're going to say hello. Tata David Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Luna mavimpi, Ingeta.
Tuna mavimpi.
Tutondele. Oh.
Some buffering.
Okay. Tata Emeka Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Luna mavimpi,
Ingeta, tuna mavimpi, tutondele.
Tutondele. Nengwa Rachel Kiambote.
Kiambote Tata Mpanzu.
Luna mavimpi,
Ngeta, tuna mavimpi, tutondele.
Tutondele. Tata Makailu Kiambote.
Kimbote.
Luna mavimpi, Ingeta.
Geta.
Tuna mavimpi. Tuna mavimpi tutondele.
Tutondele.
Ingeta tutondele. Okay, thank you very much, brother. Tutondele. Okay, let us move to the main lesson today. Thank you. Well done. You've done well, Very good. It is hard. Mayamba, Tata David, I'm very impressed. You've done well, seriously, because on the mainland, that word, this is one of the words that have been corrupted, no? People, I mean, the pronouncers in, if it were a Portuguese name, you know, many people. When I say many people, I mean us, Congo people.
So the Portuguese and the French, depending on wherever Kikongo is spoken, kind of gets in the way.
It does, you're right. It does. Yeah. Sadly, but I mean, we do our best. No, don't give up. You need to be strong, you know.
Exactly.
Okay, we're going to our main lesson today. This is a revision. Tata Makailu, can you help us? Can you read for us, please?
Congo language course, Malunge, Makungo,
Makikongo.
Kizombo, by Professor Hazel Carter and the Reverend Jose Makwandakwa. Joanne Hazel Carter, 2202-1928 to 308-2016. Received her doctorates with her dissertation syntactic tone phrases in Kikongo language. African Studies Program, Department of African Languages and Literature, University of Wisconsin-Madison, USA, May 1987.
Thank you very much, brother. See the keywords, Nengorisha, see the keywords, see?
Syntactic tone phrases in Congo.
No, you see the keyword tone. So this language, tonal language, so tone. Thank you. Carry on, sister.
The course is designed to teach you to speak rather than to know about Kikongo. These are special teaching drills, not testing drills, as in some language laboratory courses.
Tutondele. Carry on, sister Nengwa, please.
In 2001, Professor Hazel Carter received the Distinguished Services Award from the African Language Teachers Association.
Tata Makailu, so you are drinking from the fountain, see?
Hello.
Nengwa Rachel, please.
Kikongo is a tonal language. Different tones distinguish different meanings.
This is it. Got it? Yeah?
Exactly.
We are going to spend a lot of time just practicing about tonality, because this is it. If I say something, because in Congo, we mean what you say. If you don't get it, you don't get it. If you miss it, you miss it. We don't go back. What do you mean, no?
So there's very little room for ambiguity.
No, you are right. Yes. Remember what Tata David read last time about what the English person William Bentley said about Kikongo. So comparing Kikongo
to the European tongue
and the other European language.
It was more direct.
Yeah, we mean what we say.
It's a very direct and pure language, clear language.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you. You are brave, no? You are brave. Tata Makailu. I'm going to read, and you read after me. I mean, you read after I finish. We have long vowel omwana. Don't rush, please. Omwana, no, omwana. Osinga die ve. Kasinga dia nkutuko. Tata Mikhail, please.
Owana Osinga Dia Ve Kisinga Dia Kinkonku
Kasinga Dian Kutuko.
Kutuku Kutuku
Thank you.
Dia Kutuku
Mm.
Kisinga Dia Kutuku.
Thank you. Tata Davidi, Kikongo David.
Omwana osinga gye ve kasinga gya nkutuko.
Tutonde Tata Emeka.
Omwana osinga die ve kasinga dia nkutuko.
Tutonde Nengwa Rachel, please.
Omwana osinga die. Ve. Kasinga dia inkutuko.
Thank you very much. Let me read first. Onkento osinga lambe with long vowel here on kento, then lamba. Onkento osinga lambe ve kasinga lamba nkutuko. Nengo Rachel, over to you, please.
Onkento osinga lambe. Ve. Kasinga lamba nkutuko.
Kasinga, Ton, listen to me. Sorry, I have to go back. Can you see
please.
Kikongo, you know? I have to go back to you done well. Let me just read again. Onkento singa lambe ve kasinga lamba nkutuko.
Onkento osinga lambe. Ve. Kasinga lamba nkutuko.
Thank you. Tata Emeka, please.
Onkento osinga lambe ve kasinga lamba nkutuko.
Thank you. Well done. Tata Davidi.
Nkento osinga lambe ve kasinga lamba nkutuko.
Thank you. Tata Makail, please.
Okenta Osinga Lambe Ve Kasinga Lamba Nkutuko.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Let us move. Onkundiaku osinga vutuke ve kasinga vutuka mkutuko. Onkundiaku Nengwa Rachel, please.
Onkunduaku osinga vutuke. Ve kasinga vutuka nkutuko.
Thank you. Here I'll just contract vowel contraction.
Okundiaku.
Make it the one word. Onkundiaku, please.
Okundiaku osinga vutuke. Ve kasinga vutuka nkutuko.
Listen to me. Ve kasinga kasinga no kasinga no kasinga.
So you're gonna go up in the intonation.
No, from here, just from here. Ve kasinga.
Ve kasinga. Ve kasinga vutuka nkutuko.
Kasinga vutuka nkutuko. Tata Emeka, you know it well. I remember last time.
Onkundiaku osinga vutuke ve kasinga vutuka nkutuko.
Tutondele Tata Davidi.
Nkundi yako osinga vutuke ve
Kasinga Vutuka Nkutuko.
Thank you.
Is it
Tatama-
Vutuka or Vutuka?
Vutuka
That
Nkutuko.
word is that
Vutuka Nkutuko.
so? It's Vutuka. Okay.
Vutuka Nkutuko. I know. I understand what you mean, because sometimes the accent is confusing sometimes, but in this case it applies.
Yes.
Vutuka Nkutuko. Thank you. Tata Makailu.
Ankungika Osenga Butake Ve Kasinga Butaka Nkunkutu Nkuntuko
Well done.
Nkuntuko
Well done. We don't read N. We don't read this for the
Nkuntuko.
tone. Don't read Nkutuko. Here you make it one word. Vowel contraction. Onkundiaku. Can you try again, Tata Makailu, please?
Kuaku
Onkundiaku.
Ankudiaku
Mm,
Osenga Butake
mm.
Ve Kasinga Butaka Kunkuku
Kutuko. Well done.
Kunkutuko.
Kutuko. Well done. Omuntu, long vowel. Omuntu osinga vate ve kasinga vata nkutuko kasinga vatako kasinga vata. Mengwa, please.
Omuntu osinga vate ve kasinga vata nkutuko.
Thank you. Tata Emeka.
Omuntu osinga vate ve kasinga vata nkutuko.
Hey, I'm very impressed, you. Well done.
On the way.
Because this language, as you can see, this language 50-50 between writing well the language and the way
Yeah.
you pronounce the language. 50-50.
Exactly.
You can write it well, that's fine. But unless
Mm.
you give it a meaning, I mean, the meaning depends on your
Exactly.
pronunciation, the way you pronounce the word. Tata Davis, please.
Omuntu Osinga Bate Ve Kasinga Bata Nkutuko.
Titonde, well done. Tata Makailu.
Omuntu Osinga Vate
Mhm.
Ve Kasinga Vata Nkunkutuko.
Well done. Thank you very much. I was listening to one of our brother channel I follow from time to time on YouTube. Someone was saying that this language may have been, I don't know, century before Christ, you know, Kikong.
Yes.
Yeah.
It
Of
was.
course, it was not called Kikong, yeah? It was not called Kikong, maybe another. But the reason, okay, we'll not go to go up in this chapter here because we're live.
Okay.
Yeah. But the words in Latin language, when you say Latin, you mean all other Romance languages, as the French, Français, Portuguese. The word that originated from Kikongo. We've been staying there for a long time, but I've never seen people from l'Académie Française, from France, l'Académie of Letters, to come and say, no, you are wrong. I've never seen them. Never. See what I mean?
So
Yeah.
they're saying that their French language is coming from the Kikongo.
No, I'm not saying that. We're not saying that. We say there are words in Latin language that
appears.
Kikongo, from Kikongo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. One of our brother always said that, but I'm saying that, just keep underline. I'm just saying that we've never seen someone coming, let's say academics, people like l'Académie Française, people that, okay, you know the Académie Française, to come up and say that, no, this is wrong. I can prove that, I can show that it's wrong, but we never see no one. Okay, I'm not going to go too much. I'm not going to talk too
Well,
much about that. But
it
anyway,
sounds like the Congo has preeminence. It has its preeminence over some of your more recent tongues, like the European tongues, for instance.
yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Let us move on. So, where were we? Okay. I think we're done. We're done with this one. Anyway, we have 4 minutes. This is a revision. We've been here before. Tata Emeka, remember? This lesson we've been there here before.
Yes.
Yeah, we're just going back to refresh our minds because the new year.
All right. Indezi mwana osinga sale ve kasinga sala nkutuko.
Yes, Tata Emeka. This is Sala.
Sale.
The other Sala, meaning what does it mean? The other Sala?
To work.
Well done. Okay. I think we stop there for today. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
You're learning Congo. Tutondele. Tata Makailo. We don't mean this. Tata Makailo, not this.
Yes, welcome. Kizambote, welcome.
Thank you very much. I mean, we're going to continue our chat on our Facebook now.
Yes.
How do you call it? WhatsApp group, yes.
Yes. Okay. Please.
Okay, tutondele.
Tutondele.
Ukidi, Lwenda Kyambote, Tata Makailu. Tutondele, Lwenda Kyambote, Tata Makai. Why do you say to me? What did you say to me, Tata Makailu? I said, oh, well done. Okay, tutondele. Okay, have a good day. US, have a good day.
Salaki Ambote.
Tutondele. Bye.
Papi Salomo, William Longa, le coordonnateur, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magua Kumbo. Philippe Kamango, Lemba Masakila, Zozo Lukanu. Jean-Paul Bouyamba. Bokal Boto Amungu, Sole Mondoni, Franck Mambi, Politisa, Keita Kulama, Serge Ngodo, la San Diego.